I'm Jeff. I'm with STURDI-LOK Wall Panels and Look Buildings. And this morning, I'm just going to give you a brief introduction to our STURDI-LOK Structural Wall Panels. This house, it's Friday morning, by the way, and this three-man crew started this job on Tuesday morning. And you can kind of see the progress that they've made with our wall panels. So let's go upstairs and we'll get a little bit more in detail about our STURDI-LOK wall panels. So this particular house is going to be sheeted on the exterior with foam to increase the R value. And the cool thing about our walls is you can just attach the foam to it because our walls are already sheared because they're structural walls. So just the foam on the outside is adequate because our walls provide shear that 7/16 OSB would normally be used for. So as you can see, this house is going to have a covered porch off the edge of it with posts and beams. And there are going to be two beams on the ends and one right here in the middle going out to the main beam. On our walls, we accommodate for those beams with beam pockets. You can see the one here in the middle. And then there's one down here on this end. And then there's one on the far end as well to accept the beams. So I left the job site yesterday morning, or yesterday afternoon, I apologize, at about 2:30. And the guys knocked off at 3:30, and they had just started putting the walls up when I left at 2:30. And in about an hour, they started here and got all the way back over to by the stair hole in about an hour with our wall panels. Right now, we're looking at where two walls go together. This is one wall panel. This is another wall panel. And this is where the two meet. You have two king studs on the end of each wall. And when they're stood up, make sure that the tops of the walls are flush. And then two screws in each one of these bays, one on this side and one on that side, all the way down. And similarly, you screw the walls to the subfloor, and that's it. All of our STURDI-LOK wall panels are pre-drilled at a couple different heights for electrical to run Romex all the way around through the corners. Every wall panel pre-drilled to make the electricians happy. So each of our wall panels are numbered corresponding to the layout that we provide before the wall panels start going up. So you can see when we send out our plans, each wall panel is labeled. So it's really easy to just follow the numbers and put the panels up. We also offer pre-sheeting of our STURDI-LOK wall panels before they come out. Due to the fact that our wall panels are structural and pre-sheared, when you're sheeting our buildings, you don't have to stagger the seams with the exterior sheeting. So from our factory, we can pre-sheet these for you and they're already sheared. So you're saying when this one sets, this first one out here, it's going to be